Check out our latest video, A7R II versus A7III.
And we'll see you on the other side.
Really flying the music. Okay. And it's so packed in here. The band sounds great. Double penny whistle tracks. How are you? Oh yeah. Thank you. Yeah, man. Did you you went to the screening of Pull My Daisy? Did you enjoy it? Yeah. Yeah, I love that movie is great. That's the second time I saw it. David Amram talking about it. It's really I love that movie. Okay. All right, yeah. Thank you. All right, see if I let me sneak through.
Hi guys, and welcome back.
So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly run through a few key points on both cameras, starting with image file size and cropping. The bigger file size on the A7R II are better for cropping or for very large prints, but this does have an impact on system performance and storage. But all in all, the winner is A7R II.
Next is battery life. For the A7III batteries, they last 3 times longer than the A7R II. So this is an easy one. The winner is an A7III.
Autofocus. Well, this one's not a competition really. With one of the industry-leading autofocus, it really goes to the A7III. But we have to say the autofocus on the A7R II is still quite good and comparable to most DSLR cameras.
Next is the screen and the eyepiece resolution. The A7R II screen is so much better than the A7III. So for us, the clean winner is the A7R II.
Color science. These two unedited images were taken at the same time. As you can see, the A7R III has better skin tones, and the win goes to this one, A7III.
Yep. The next is memory card slot. The A7III has 2 slots for a backup, versus the A7R II only has 1. So the winner goes to the A7III. Here's our conclusions. The A7III camera is a great all-rounder, and it's easier to use than the A7R II, except on its cropping capabilities.
But the A7R II is an excellent camera for landscapes, studio work, or wherever you need the extra resolution.
Absolutely.
We're going to put a couple images up here of a shoot we did quite a while back with the A7R II, one of our best shoots ever. One of our best shoots, isn't it?
And we'll link the video just above as well, so you can have a look.
Definitely. So, you know the drill. If you could like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.
We'll see you next time.